Hello everyone, you are on Make Money Online. Subscribe to the channel, like it, and we are starting. We go to the site, which is located by the link in the description. Download the application and go there. Next, you need to select the application where you need to do some targeted action. For example, play for 8 days or download the application and register in it. After completing this action, points will be added to your balance, which can be withdrawn when you reach 55,000 points. Thank you all for watching. You like and subscribe.